First batch of cookies in the oven here in the tiny home. Yeah. Single wide to tiny home cookies, baby, right there. So, Tina Kazee had this thing tonight, and she needed cookies, and so we decided we would test the oven, $50 Craigslist oven, and see if it was calibrated, and it is. It works extremely well. By the way, all the local stores, appliance and big box, the cheapest, that oven is still basically sold at Kenmore. It's $498, $500. I mean, that oven is 10% the cost and 100% the oven. And we have cookies to eat. So, Simon, Eli, Oliver, Riley, and I can't eat all the rest of these. Tina's vegan, so she won't eat them. They have butter in them, and eggs. But yeah, actually, all the kids can have 2 cookies, no sweat. Yeah. All right. So there you go. Fuck yeah. Craigslist oven cookies, baby, right here in the single wide.